Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
This is how to tenderize beef with a Chinese restaurant method called velveting beef. Also used for chicken, it's a simple, highly effective technique using baking soda that transforms economical beef so it's incredibly tender in stir-fries and stir-fried noodles. 23 February 2019.
Take our lead.
8 simple ways to make tough meat tender. Physically tenderize the meat. For tough cuts like chuck steak, a meat mallet can be a surprisingly effective way to break down those tough muscle fibers. Use a marinade. Don't forget the salt. Let it come up to room temperature. Cook it low and slow. Hit the right internal temperature. Rest your meat. Slice against the grain. The 26th of January 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
As it turns out, Worcestershire sauce already contains many of the components of a good marinade. It has vinegar to tenderize the meat, sugar for sweetness and shine, and deliciously savory flavors including onion, garlic, tamarind, and anchovies. 6 September 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Undercooked steaks fail to melt the fat in the beef and are quite chewy. Additionally, undercooked beef might cause an upset stomach or even food poisoning. Overcooked steaks burn through all the fat and end up being hard, dry, and chewy. 30 August 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.